So yeah, respect to my people, them, I don't know. All my people them down the yard there, you don't know. I don't watch nothing, all of the people just land pamphlet. Anyone there, anyone of the family have some land and them thing there. Just go straight to the land. You understand? Straight to the land. Plant some seed, plant some food, and start make sure say you have food for yourself. Straight away. You understand? Enough man left a place, you know. I never look back ever. Never send nothing, never show no love to the people them down there, you see me? You understand? Them people I'm sorry for. But the people them, I know enough people did away, you know, help them family, you know. And I sort out a little thing for come live off one time and come back. Big up to them people, them people are the real Jamaican. We make air while the sun shine. While the sun is shining out of my behind right now, remember me tell you, me I try to make some here, you know. You understand? It's not about being in some stranger land, you know. And I make some here. I'm not going to live like them stranger here in their land, yeah? Because they don't know the struggle of a Jamaican. So I cannot live as comfortable as English in England, or American in America, or Canadian in Canada, or Australia, wherever they want to send me from. But the stone that the builder refused will always be the head cornerstone. Jamaican will know that. You understand? So for all of the people who know say them are no criminal will drop down up at the plane there. You just make sure so you keep on the thing clean and straight. A big up to my whole Jamaican place. Remember me telling you what? Just fly out of that place there. Eh? And me love down there bad. Oh, what me say? Sorry. Me love down there good. You understand? Because right now, you know, at Jamaica, the man them say you have to put close for your argument. You see me? They have to put close for your argument. So, me love down there good. I love my people them down there good. And people don't know down there know so I'm not normal when me down at that. I'm good. I'm in a normal when me down at that. You see me? Because me tell them the real about them place. You understand? Say no easy. You understand when you live in a place. You understand when the man them is racist to you. You can't even really do nothing about the idiot racism. You understand? When you don't know your past and your history. You understand what I'm saying? So big up on yourself. All of the Jamaicans are going back home, you know. Nothing name not deported. You understand? We either get imported or exported. For who was stolen from Africa long 1,000 years ago. So right now I don't know about no deport nothing. You understand? You've been exported back. You understand, Bridging? Yeah? You not want import now, you turn export. I say go. You understand? But guess what now? Jamaica we now forget strong, you know. You understand? A strong, we say every Jamaican, me say strong. You understand? Fire for all of the ways Jamaican them. When me say strong again. You understand? After all, a Bob Marley country, a Usain Bolt country. You understand? A ramp with the thing turn up, up. Birthplace of Rastafari. Up. Birthplace of veganism. Up. A whole heap of thing we doing, man. Yo, me I try to show you, you know. Yesterday, the tallest teenager come from, you know. The fastest woman come from, you know. Our whole heap of sitting, you know. I go and see place, you know. Remember me tell you. You understand? Jamaica turn up way more than UK right now. Turn up way more than US right now. Me I tell a man that from now. You understand? Because me down there 14 days ago. So a man can't come show me nothing. You understand? Over out my people. Be proud of yourself. Remember Marcus Garvey. Remember Sham Sharp. Remember Paul Bogle. Remember Nanny of the Maroon. Proud of we think. Proud of ourselves. You understand? No boy can dash away. Stone that the builder refuse will always be dead cornerstone. No matter what. You understand? Remember one time them boy in a Windrush time when them boy didn't want to clean up them place after World War II. What did we do? Clean it up. I'm sure that they wasn't worried about immigrants at them time there, yeah? Because they just wanted man to clean up their shit as usual, yeah? So over out, my people, you see me? Blessed, over out. Blessed to the respectful Jamaicans wherever you are. Whether you've been deported, imported, or kept. You understand? Big up on yourself anyway, yeah? Because the world can't do without us. Over out. What? They can't do without the jerk chicken. Remember me telling them that. They can't do without the Rastaman food. They can't do without the coconut water. They can't do without the cane. They can't do without all the things we have done like that. They can't do without yam and banana. You understand? All the things they can't do without. No matter what, they can't follow this. Over out, my people, yeah? Big up to every Jamaican. Big up exclusively to the Jamaicans them right now. Bless out. Over.